Hi, this is Crystal Starr with Eye Chakras Zen Center, and today I want to talk about crystals. Now the next stone we're going to be talking about is Orange Goldstone. You see all that beautiful glittering color. This orange little guy is amazing for your sacral. Now I know there's a lot of talk against man-made crystals, but just so you know, man-made stones are actually made with natural material. They melt it down and they include other natural material. This little guy right here has all this beautiful copper flakes inside of it. And when they make the orange goldstone, it brings the right energy you need for the sacral because it has that same frequency. Well, copper is something we use in everything, and we all know that copper transfers energy from one thing to another. So this stone transfers energy from the universe into your sacral. Now, I like to recommend Orange Goldstone when the sacral chakra is spinning too slowly rather than too fast. Now, unlike Carnelian, which is just healthy for your sacral no matter what, whether it's spinning too fast, if it's toxic, if it's too slow, Orange Goldstone is specifically good for the chakra when it's blocked, when it's not spinning. That would look like depression, feeling this emotional numbness in your life. It's hard to feel excited about anything. There's a lack of, what's the point of waking up in the morning? A lack of excitement about things that should bring you excitement. Now, that would mean that your chakra is not spinning at all. If the chakra is spinning too fast, then you're going to get too much passion, anger, frustration, violence, this fire in your body. That's the opposite problem. And with that problem, I do not recommend Orange Goldstone. If you do want to use Orange Goldstone, you're going to want to place it underneath the belly button, above the pelvic bone. And I recommend also keeping it in your palm because the palms absorb all types of energy. You don't have to meditate with it if you don't know how. You're welcome to just relax and place the crystal on your body. If you have any questions, please leave your comments in the area below, and I'm more than happy to answer them. If you have questions about Orange Goldstone, depression, anger, the sacral chakra, I am more than happy to send you a reply as soon as possible. Like and subscribe. Love and light.